Dear children, today we are going to discuss about the very short answer type questions from natural resources, land, soil and water. This is the second chapter from your book. So the first question is, the land and water distribution on the earth is option A 25% and 65%, option B 29% and 71%, option C 71% and 21%. Dear students, you just see the land and water it is given. First the word land is there. So the correct option is 29% and 71%. That is the option number 2. Question number 2. Which one of the following is an organic component of the soil? Is it lime, is it iron or is it humus? The correct option is option C, that is humus. Question number 3. Dash and dash occupy the pore spaces in soil. The options are minerals, humus, air and water. And the correct answer is air and water. That is the option C. Question number 4. This is assertion and reasoning question. In the first video I have also discussed about all these type of questions. So assertion is here. About 90% of the world's population is inhabited in the plain areas of tropical and subtropical areas. And this A is very correct. And reasoning here it is given plain areas with alluvial soil are areas of intensive crop cultivation with high yield. That is also very correct because plain areas are intensely cultivated and they are very much suitable for cultivating variety of crops. Unlike it may be in India, it may be in different parts of the world, those whose primary occupation is cultivation, most of the people they used to live in plain areas. So the correct option is option number B. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 5. Which one of the following is not a human factor affecting land use pattern? Is it climatic condition, density of population or technological requirement? Here the question is, it is not a human factor. So the correct answer is option number A, climatic conditions. Question number 6. Assertion is given here, the study of land use pattern is important for the economic planning of the region. So this is very much correct. Without studying the land use pattern of an area or planning it, we cannot have a proper economic planning for a nation. And your reasoning is given, we cannot conserve land resources by taking certain initiatives. So R is not the correct, the sentence is not correct because if we take certain initiatives or steps, definitely we can check the land degradation and we can conserve it. And as per option, assertion option, this is not the right explanation also. But here as per the given options, the correct one is A is true but R is false. Question number 7. Assertion is here, there is a conflict over the access and rights of land resources. This sentence is very correct. When we move from one region to another region, as the land use vary from region to region, and according to the national economic goals to be achieved, the land use pattern is being decided. So there is always a conflict with growing population. The uses are many, but population is growing accordingly. In all the fields, the demand is nowadays ever increasing. So that's why here the reasoning is given, the availability of land on the earth is limited, but uses are many. So A is correct and R is also correct and rightly explaining this. So both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation because the uses are many and land is limited. That is why there is a conflict. Question number 8. Assertion is here, land management is a holistic approach for achieving productive and balanced ecosystem by integrating socio-economic needs of the people. So this is also very correct. Here A is correct. Reasoning is given here, the most important resource upon which all human activity is based on is mineral resource. So this is not the correct reasoning. So here the correct option is option number D. A is true but R is false. Then question number 9. Assertion is given here as a resource. Soil is of immense value to the industrialist. I hope all of you know, you have studied in the chapter, soil is of immense value to the farmers. reasoning is given here. Rich and deep soil cover with high degree of fertility favors agricultural production. Definitely this reasoning is correct. So here the correct answer is A is false, but R is true. The next question number 10. Which one of the following is not a factor responsible for soil formation? Parent rock, vegetation cover, overgrazing. So the correct answer is option number C. It is not a factor of soil formation, but it is a factor of soil erosion, overgrazing. Question number 11. According to scientific norms, dash percentage of land of the world should be under forest? 30.7%, 33.7%, 33%, 31%. The correct answer is 33%, that is the option number C. Question number 12. Generally, soil has high humus content in dash areas, forested areas, desert areas or plateau area. So the correct answer is option number A, that is the forest area, because varieties of plants are grown there and their parts are falling there, getting decomposed there. Along with the dense forest areas are the home of various type of wildlife. That is why humus content is more in the areas, especially in the soil which is found in forest areas. Question number 13. Indirectly, animals depend upon soil to satisfy their basic needs. State true or false. Here the correct option is option number A. Like with a human being, animals are also depending on the soil. They are also indirectly depending on it. That is true. Question number 14. The black soil of India is derived from the dash rock, lava rock, metamorphic rock, sedimentary rock. The correct answer is option number A, lava rock. Question number 15. Assertion is here. Topographical variations such as mountains, plateaus and plains affect the thickness of a soil cover. Here topographical variation means relief features that definitely vary from place to place, and depending on the type of landform or relief features, the thickness of the soil varies. Option A is very correct. Reasoning it is given. In mountains on steep slopes, soil layer is shallow and thin, and on gentle slopes, soil cover is thick and deep. So here option B is correct. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 16. Which one of the following factors accelerate the process of soil formation in Rajasthan? Is it nature of rocks? Is it extreme difference in day and night temperature? Is it speed of the wind? Which one is the factor which accelerates, which increases the process of soil formation? In Rajasthan, the answer is extreme difference in day and night temperature. Then question number 17. Which one of the following multi-purpose river valley project is located in USA? Is it Assertion? Is it Hoover? Is it Damodar? The correct option is B, Hoover. Question number 18. Which one of the following features has very deep and fertile soil? The Himalayas, the Indian desert, the Ganga and Brahmaputra delta. The correct option is option number C, the Ganga and Brahmaputra delta. Then question number 19. Which one of the following is not a human factor responsible for soil erosion? Deforestation, mining, action of water and overgrazing. The correct answer is action of water. This is natural. It's not a human factor. Question number 20. Prevention of soil from being eroded is called soil formation, soil erosion, soil conservation. The correct answer is option number C, soil conservation. Here we are preventing the soil from being eroded away, from being washed away. Question number 21. Which one of the following measures can be followed to check surface runoff? Afforestation, shelter well, building dam. Which one is a measure which helps to check surface runoff? So here the correct answer is afforestation. If you plant more and more trees, the surface runoff which is taking place just after the rainfall, that will be changed. Question number 22. Which one of the following is a scientific method of agricultural practices to be adopted to conserve soil? Strip cropping, contour plowing, trickle irrigation. The correct option is option A, strip cropping. Question number 23. The distribution of saline and fresh water on the earth's surface is? So saline water and fresh water percentage, it is 70% and 30%. Is it 97% or 3%? Is it 60% and 40%? The correct answer is option number B, 97% and 3%. Question number 24. The average annual precipitation of the world is estimated to be 1050 mm, 1500 mm, 1005 mm. The correct answer is option A, 1050 mm. Question number 25. Which one of the following is a heavy rainfall area of the world? Is it Arabian Plateau? Is it Northern Eurasia? Is it South Asia? The correct answer is South Asia. It is close to equator. That's why it receives heavy rainfall. Question number 26. Here assertion is given: dumping of urban and industrial waste decreases the quality of water and makes it unsuitable for consumption. This is very correct. When we dump the untreated industrial waste or urban waste, the quality of water gets affected and it becomes unsuitable for consumption. And reasoning is given: water is suitable to consume only in low rainfall areas. It is not at all true. So here the correct answer is option number D. A is very correct, but R is false. Question number 27. Assertion is here: large dams have come under a lot of criticism by the environmentalists. And here reasoning is: dams store huge amount of rainwater to be used for several purposes. Here A is correct and R is correct, but R is not explaining correctly A. So the option A is correct. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 28. Which one of the following disease is caused due to water pollution? Jaundice, dengue, asthma, tuberculosis. The correct answer is jaundice. That is option A. Question number 29. The form of irrigation in which water drips in small quantity on roots of the plants, that is called drip irrigation, sprinkler method of irrigation, hose and sprinkler, or surface irrigation. The correct answer is drip irrigation. That is option A. Each plant gets drop water and each drop of water is utilized, and here water is conserved. At the same time, the purpose is also solved. Irrigation is done and water is not wasted. Question number 30. The last question: which one of the following is not an objective of multi-purpose river valley projects? Generating hydroelectricity, flood control, navigation, submergence of forest. The correct answer is option number D, that is submergence of forest, because generating hydroelectricity, it is an objective, controlling flood, it is an objective, and navigation is also an objective. But this submergence of forest, it is a negative factor about the dam. When dams are constructed, it submerges large forest areas. So that is why it is a negative factor, disadvantages. That is why it also comes under a great scrutiny by the environmentalists. So thank you all. These are some of the questions. You can search for some more questions, practice those, and do good in the exam. Thank you.